here. We in here. We just had a friend recorded like for the burgers, man.
What y'all call you?
We had a friend eating right here. Well, hey, what's that called right there? Baked beans, honey boo boo. Okay.
Let me see the video we made.
Hey, my name is Kyle. How's you doing today? Is that good? I know you eating like a pig. That's good. I eat like crazy. You like crazy? Hold on, I'm gonna pause you for a minute. So how was it? But ain't no more. There is some more. Ain't no more. You always got some more. Now don't. Now that's just stupid. Now, somebody put that right there. Somebody just put that right there. I was eating that. Somebody put that right there. Somebody put that right there? Oh. Eat that up. I don't like people that watch phony freaks. Don't like them folks. I don't trust them. Some of them could be strangers. You don't know. Oh, they're strangers. This whole little skinny stuff out of here, Dad. Wait, what do you know? We're gonna keep it going for 2 minutes. Like it's gonna happen. Yeah. But you maybe ain't ugly. They all ugly. You all know that. Want it? That peanuts? Yeah, these peanuts. Send me $2. And I still make these funny videos. $2? This hungry pig over here. Peace. No, don't peace. I ain't peacing nowhere. You ain't been making go. Because I'm sitting here for 3 minutes. And you still ain't talking. I still ain't talking. I'm just moving my mouth. Somebody else talking. Oh, somebody talking. I'll be right back, man. But I'm going to visit everybody else with the man. We out here, man. Like, it been going good with us, though. We been doing good. Now I'm back to my man. Don't ever pick peanuts. Don't ever eat peanuts while you drinking soda or Sprite or ginger ale or baked beans. Don't never do it. Yeah. Alright, he just left. Because I'm eating baked beans, honey beans, any type of beans. I'm eating Cheetos, everything. He look like... He go asking for some baked beans. There ain't no one. For me. And that little baby right there. And him. So, yeah. I heard something going on. He ate all the baked beans. So I said, alright. My brother had long hair named Princess P. Oh my God. And he eat more than me. And I eat hot sauce on my burrito. And I still gotta run to the bathroom. Every 2 minutes and 3 minutes I'm gonna have to go because I eat some baked beans and a baked burrito. A bean burrito. And hot sauce.
Y'all can use it when I'm done.
And some syrup. And I ate some eggs, so it's gonna be a while for 15 minutes on the toilet all night. I hope y'all YouTube people learn. This ain't the play with. I gotta get on the toilet in 3 minutes. Now give it up for Barry. Oh, it's feeling green for you. You should watch this video. This is me getting up in the book. Yeah, I think we should choke you out. Come a little bit more. Who? You? But I know you ain't talking to me. I know you ain't. Get out the video, Keyshawn. For real though. Can I see? This is Kishira.
What's up?
Now she's gonna tell you a story what happened with her before.
Wait, no. I'm gonna tell you a story when someone fell off the bed.
Well, we gonna cut her off right now, but come on, keep on.
He fell off the bed. He got up and started dancing like we are having a party. I was like, peace.
He lying. She lying. She lying. Don't talk to her.
What's up, y'all?
Oh, no! No!
What's up, y'all? We back in the building, man.
No, baby, don't put me.
WBN. Wait. What's up, y'all? This my brother. Hey, I don't know that girl. I'm back with him.
Good baby. Timmy do me dirty.
Okay, work. We got our work team right here. Show me how you work. We about to have a party. Timmy do me dirty. Peace out and holler. It's Friday. You better stay away or you get choked up. Oh, wow. What's up, man? What's up, man? It's Friday. Work. See me do me dirty. Watch our video. It's Green Pig right here. Fresh boy Montana. What's your name?
Kai, you doesn't believe him. No, don't believe him. Alright, we're gonna holler at y'all. Let's take a 2-minute break. Hey, everybody, hold on, wait. We gonna show y'all our room. Come on, pause it.
We back in the building, man. We back. How y'all been doing today?
Stop so hard.
Look at him, man. He tripping. Something wrong with him. Who think you is? Come in here. No, I'm telling you. Hey, chill that out. What do we chill that out? Who is that? What's up with it? Hi, Bray. What you been doing today?
I'll beat her butt.
Get your butt